I can teach you an easy way to find a winning product right now. It's called the 30-day live method. You want to go to Facebook ad library, set the country to United States, add category all, and search 50% off. And what you're going to get is you're going to get all the current running ads that are live on Facebook. Then you'll ask me, how do I know which one of these products is a winning product? So what I want you to do is filter for ads that are more than 30 days old. First thing first, you want to make sure the active status is active ads. And then what you want to do is you want to take the to date back 30 days so that you're only being shown ads that are more than 30 days old and apply these two filters. So all of a sudden now you can see that these are all the products that have been running for more than 30 days, so we know that they're working products. Then you're going to say, hey Andy, there's so many products, how do I know which one is a winner? Then what you're going to have to do is put all these products on an Excel sheet. And what you'll see is that there will be products that come up multiple times from different competitors. For example, we saw that there's this metal card holder that is being sold by 6 different stores, and that's a proven winner. This product has been running profitably for over 30 days and has been done so by 5 to 6 different competitors, and that's how you know you've found a winning product.